Hello, in this tutorial, I'll show you how to contact Lufthansa customer support. Now, the first thing I'd like you to do is to launch your Lufthansa account, which of course I've done right here. Now, the next thing is, how can you create an account in Lufthansa? Pretty simple. Launch in a browser of your choice and locate the search bar. In the search bar for browser, type lufthansa.com, and that's going to take you into the official website for Lufthansa. Once you get into the website, in the top right corner, follow through with the on-screen instructions to create your account. And after signing in successfully, it's going to take you right into this fantastic homepage where you can now explore a lot of features to have an exciting time in Lufthansa. So now that we're here, let's quickly hop into today's text, and that is how to contact Lufthansa customer support. So from this homepage, I'd like you to head over to the top right corner of your screen where you have help. Now go ahead and click on help, and that's going to take you right into the help text. Now you can find answer services and contact details here. So get in touch, find the best way to reach us with any request, and you have most common requests. So if you want to use any of this, so use any of these options here. Your request isn't listed here, so search any term, and you have frequently asked questions. You also have useful services that could help you. Now, one of the easiest way is to also reach out to Lufthansa chat assistant. So just go ahead and check here, ask your question, and you will be good to go. But then let's just get in touch directly. So click on get in touch. It's going to take you right into this window where we cannot get in touch with them directly. So add a booking. So booking code, first name, last name, click on continue. Or if you just have a general question, you can click on I have a general question. So which topic do you want us to assist you with? Choose any of them. Let's say rebookings and cancellation. Let's say rebooking and rebook a flight. That's it. Now you can use the easy self-service to rebook a flight, or chat assistant that will help you, or you can start a live chat, or you can click on call customer service or call service center. Once you click on call service center, you're going to get the number available for you. So you're going to get the contact details that you can, of course, reach out to. So this is still loading up. So enter your country. So let's say this is Nigeria. So select any country from this drop down menu, and you have the number. So this is the number for this, and these are opening hours. So reach out to any of them, reach out to this number, or reach out to them via email, and they'll definitely get to you. So this is pretty much how you can contact Lufthansa customer support. And I can go over this tutorial from top to bottom to get acquainted with the steps. And of course, once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this video marvelously helped you search.